D5 Render has just launched its version 2.8. So what's new in D5 Render 2.8? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Glay and welcome to my YouTube channel, GV Visions. Today I will be discussing to you what are the new features of D5 Render version 2.8. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell for more videos about D5 Render. So I just updated my D5 Render to version 2.8 and here are the new feature. We have here the AI Enhancer, optimized semi-transparent effect for transparent materials, upgraded D5 Scatter, D5 Live Sync for Rhino, D5 Live Sync for Vectorworks, Sunlight Caustics, and construction site models. So now let's try to discuss some of its feature and I will show you how it's done here in D5 Render. So recently I rendered this design in D5 Render. This is from SketchUp. If you want to see the video about this one, just check on the previous video here in my YouTube channel. So I applied AI Enhancer to this one and it turned out to be this. Right, so as we can see, we can compare the before and the after of this one. So the previous image, we can see that it is very clean. Meanwhile, in the AI Enhancer, we can see here that there are already stains or wall markings, dirts, and etc. Which makes it more realistic than the previous picture. Alright, so now I will show you how to use AI Enhance here in the Render. So let's try this model that I made before. So here in the upper right side, you can see here the AI Enhancer. So this is just beside the image. So click that one. And here you can see here only support selecting images. So click that. So if you're okay with this view, let's go to the lower right side here in the render. So render this image and then save. Let's save it in the desktop. And save. Then wait for it to finish rendering. So now it's done. In the previous version, we can only see open folder and close. But now in version 2.8, we can see the AI Enhancer added here. So click AI Enhancer. And after that, you can choose either weak, normal, or strong. So let's say, for example, I will choose strong and then click Enhance. Here in the lower right side, you can see the progress of your AI Enhancer. So just wait for it to finish. So now that it's done, let us download the image. So you can see here the download icon. Click that one. And then let's just save it in the desktop. Then save. Then download complete. Then let's view. So this is the original rendered image. And this one is the AI enhanced image. So in the original, we can see that the concrete is clean. Then there are not much detail. However, in the comparing it to the AI enhanced, we can see wall dirts. You can also see here in the other side. Then the grass as well has a height. It also shows a realistic feature. So with this AI enhanced, we can see that the image has been improved to make it appear more realistic. Then also here in the hedge, the flowers in the center. But as expected, AI still has inconsistency. So same in this area. It should appear like this. However, it appears like a wood material. So that is just a quite a minor inconsistency about AI enhancer. However, I really like the overall output and I can say that D5 Render has done a good job in including AI enhancer to its version 2.8. So I hope that you would experience this as well. Next feature here in version 2.8 is the construction site models. So in 2.8, they added 190 plus construction site models, including construction workers, equipments, animated machineries, and vehicles. So in the previous version of D5 Render, I always look for heavy trucks. And the good thing is D5 Render version 2.8 has construction sites model. So first, let's check on the vehicle. So we have here the special vehicle. We have here a bulldozer. We also have the excavator, then the loader here, and we also have the construction vehicle. put it here. Then we also have the concrete mixer and the carrier vehicle. So these construction site models are very helpful, especially when we are creating a design of a construction site. It also still has the dynamic. It also has the driver. We can still also animate this one. So that is what I like with this one. And now I am also amazed with the excavator. So let's click the excavator and then let's turn on its dynamic. So now we can have this kind of animation. So now the challenge here is, however, this is a very good animation. And also the driver here is also added. Apart from the special vehicles, we also have the different characters for construction sites. So we have here the manager, we have the workers, the laborers, and the good thing here is there is already, you can also animate this one. So say for example, let's import this one here. Also this one, Jacob Drill as import, right? Then we also have here Jeffrey Transport, carrying a ladder, and many more. We also have engineers, right? So, say for example, let's put this one here. We have here an engineer, and so many, and many more. And even the digging, you can also animate this one, right? And many more. And there are lots of models available here in the Carpenter. So this is a new feature. Once again, the construction site models. So apart from AI enhancer and construction site models, there are also lots of new things here in D5 Render 2.8 which I haven't explored yet. So some of it are mentioned already in the first part of this video. So next time I will be creating a video about those types, especially about the live sync in Vectorworks and in Rhino. So this is already available for those computer aided software, but unfortunately, I am a SketchUp user and the 5 does not yet have a live sync for SketchUp, and I hope one day they will. So for now, that's it for this video. I will be creating more videos about D5 Render, so please don't forget to subscribe. I also have a Facebook page and also a TikTok account that also discuss different kinds of computer-aided drawing software. Thank you, goodbye, and God bless.